Hello friend, welcome back to the channel. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to create contour data in QGIS using DEM, Digital Elevation Model. So let's get started. First, we need to get the DEM in QGIS window. This DEM will be the primary data to extract the contours. And friend, if you want to know more about DEM, you can click on the above link. So after getting the DEM from which we want to extract the contours, go to the processing toolbox over here, and in GDAL go to the raster extraction option, and finally click on contours. Here this window will appear. Now in input layer, select the DEM from which we want to create the contours, and in the interval between contour line fill the value in meter. This part is very much important. Let's see an example. Here we can see the image with contour lines. As we already know, each line of the contour represents a certain elevation. The elevation gap of this contour is always uniform. Here the value 2920, 2930, 2940 and 2950 has 10 meter uniform elevation gap. And this is the only region contour line never intersect each other. They always have uniform elevation gap. Okay. So here also the elevation gap is defined by inputting the value. But the question remains, how much value we need to input? As we already know, the smaller the value, the more high quality of contour we have. So during inputting the value, keep in mind that we should have an idea on resolution of the DEM as well. The cell size of the DEM or the resolution of the DEM is directly proportional to the contour's elevation value gap. And to know the resolution or cell size of the DEM, we can just use this scale over here. To check the size of the cell, zoom the DEM unless the cells are visible. Like this. Here we can see the square cells. Now we can measure the length or the breadth of the cell. As the DEM I used is of 20 by 20 meter cell size, the length here is also representing the same size. So I will be inputting 20 as the value in the interval between the contour line box over here. Inputting 10 meter won't give you a better resolution data, as this DEM has not that dense data. Although you can input 10 meter also or even 5 meter also. But the topography you get after the contour will be the same. So after this, here we can see the attribute name. This will later on represent the individual elevation value of contour in attribute table. Okay, we can keep it as default. In my case, I will be changing it to elevation over here like this. We can later see the attribute table of the prepared contour and find the column with the name of the elevation. So after giving the attribute table name of the contour also, give the location to save the contour data. Okay. Here I will be saving the data in my preferred location over here like this. Now we are all done to run the process. So let's do it. The time consumption during the process depends upon the resolution and size of the DEM and the contour as well. Higher data size will take longer time, smaller the size, less time consumption. So finally friend, we have our contour data extracted from the DEM. Now let's check the attribute table. First, right click on the extracted contour data and go to attribute table. Here we can see the elevation data in this table with the name of elevation which I inputted earlier. So this is all about extracting the contour from DEM using QGIS. And friend, I suggest you to learn the introduction to DEM following above link. Okay. So thank you friend. Hit the like button and comment for any queries. For the informative videos on QGIS, subscribe to the channel as well. See you in another video. Happy learning.